Hello, everyone. Welcome to IPE 520. I'm Mr. Taylor. I will be your instructor for IPE 520 for the 2022 Fall Online Long Session. Welcome to Wingate University. Welcome to the MASM program, and welcome to the School of Sport Sciences, which houses the MASM program. We're excited to have you a part of the MASM program, and we're also excited to have you as a part of the Bulldog family moving forward. If you are enrolled in this course, we have likely interacted a good amount together already in terms of submitting and preparing your application package for review by the admissions committee so that you can be enrolled and get started into the program this semester, fall 2022. And so I've spoken with many of you already individually, exchanged many emails, copious emails regarding your background experience, your transcripts, etc. I've reviewed your transcripts. I know a little bit about your background already, so we have a leg up in terms of already being acquainted. And so the purpose of this video is to tell you a little bit more about myself so that you can put a face with a name. I also think it's important in an online program that you know the person you're speaking with and that you're collaborating and working with and the impetus behind why they're here to teach you their professional credentials. All of that's important. It's important for me also. And so I would like to share that information with you all. As you all know, I work full-time in graduate enrollment and graduate admissions at Wingate University. Specifically, I oversee the admission process and administration of three programs: the Master of Public Health program, the MASM program, Master of Arts in Sport Management, also the graduate education programs, which encompasses our master's and doctoral level programs in graduate education. That includes K-12, but also higher education executive leadership. And so I work with administration and admissions in those programs specifically, but I also help with our CAS or our health sciences programs in PT, OT. I assist with our MBA, MAC programs, Masters of Accounting, and I also help with pharmacy and our Master of Physician's Assistants programs in terms of editorial content, marketing content, and professional publication content. And so while I thoroughly enjoy my full-time job, I opt into teaching these courses because my background is heavily English centric. It's heavily editing and publishing centric. I've been in the professional editing and academic publishing realm for about 15 years now. I've worked for various publishing companies. And I'm hired by the university as an independent contractor outside of my full-time job to assist with our doctoral and EDD candidates in preparation of their dissertations and capstone projects for publication and for graduation, and to also assist our full-time faculty members in preparing their various academic journals, articles, and analyses for academic publication. And so I've had my hands in this bucket, if you will, for quite some time, and I have taught for quite some time, about 15 years at the undergrad level in English communication. I also teach in PR studies and educational leadership in our adult bachelor's degree program. And aside from undergraduate, I do teach graduate level writing for publication, writing and research at the graduate level. And so this particular course is something I'm excited and passionate about because it's an amalgamation of all of my experience bases, and I truly enjoy seeing people's writing and academic tone grow. I like to see one-on-one working with students and seeing the writing develop. Many people are anxious, if you will, about writing. It's very similar to math anxiety. There's a writing anxiety that's prevalent. Among students at the undergraduate and graduate level, and it's a product of K-12 and also many universities not dedicating full attention to the competencies that are required to be a successful researcher and academic. And so my goal and the goal in this course is to be able to bridge that gap between undergraduate and graduate and be able to help you transition your writing and research skills as well as your critical and analytical thinking skills to where they should be. Aside from working full-time, editing, teaching, all of that, I volunteer in the Charlotte area. I work with various animal rights organizations and also Habitat for Humanity and several other organizations. And so I really like to try to be an impactful bulldog, if you will, and give back to our greater Charlotte community. But I also try to do the same for our Union County, our immediate environment. Anyway, welcome. I hope this helps tell you a little bit more about myself. I'm excited to work with all of you. The next step is to take a look at the syllabus review video and then to complete the various diagnostic assignments, if you will, syllabus and attendance contracts and verifications. And that's all you have to do aside from the original diagnostic research and writing assignment for the first module. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to me. I'd love to speak with you one-on-one. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out r.taylor@wingate.edu. You can reach me at my office extension 704-233-6022.